Get ready for some amazing bird facts. Let's take flight. Did you know that hummingbirds can flap their wings up to 80 times per second? That's what makes them so agile and fast. Next up, the ostrich. This giant bird has eyes that are bigger than its brain. Talk about a big perspective. And here's a cool fact about the emperor penguin. They can dive deeper than 500 meters. That's some serious swimming. Some parrots are incredible mimics. They can imitate human voices and sounds with amazing accuracy. Finally, did you know that flamingos get their pink color from the food they eat? Their diet is rich in carotenoids, which gives them that beautiful hue. Birds are full of surprises. Which fact did you find the most interesting? Let us know in the comments.